as I have promised last week, we were going to invite a very special guest to our show, a very big actor, Mr. Simplo.
Yes.
So, pauya now Mr. Simplo, and we would like to ask him a few questions and get a brief background about his career. Mr. Simplo, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right. We understand Kuti, you've gone very far with education. You've learned kushkoro to be recognized.
It's not a secret.
Okay, which university did you go to, Mr. Simplo?
Oh, yeah. Like you said, yeah, you know, in this country,
yes,
something, you know, sister, but ndakaenda kuinvesti investor akawanda.
Oh, you can just tell us kana kuti two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
ndakaenda imwe iri ku UK, you know, sister.
Which university? I understand there are many universities in UK.
Yeah. You know, sister, it's a story, but what is the name? Bindura University.
It's in UK. So they have a Bindura University in UK. Well, interesting. So
I have got you know, sister, something which is in life. So ndakaenda nyika dzakawanda, sister.
Okay, you can just tell us chero shoma dzacho dzamakaenda.
Okay. China, sister. Mozambique, UK, Canada, Tanzania.
Okay. So which means you're actually fluent in those languages as well.
Very well.
You're
very
fluent.
well. Yes.
Okay, that's interesting. So where do you see yourself in 3 years' time?
Oh, now I'm 25. I'm 25 years. Yes, I'm 25 years.
Okay, you're 25 years.
Yes.
Saka ne 25 years zenyu pane zvamuri kuita here zvekuti mukazviona mberi mava munhu akabudirira kana zvichakuisai pamusoro?
Oh yeah, nekuda kwezvandiri kuita ndiri kuona pane chaedza apa. Yes.
What are you working on? Any projects that you're working on that you would like to share with us and the audience? Okay.
For now, I've got a new project.
Project
yes.
is about. You can tell us about the project if you're comfortable with that.
Okay, sister. Grass cutting. That's the project.
This project.
Yeah. Yes, sister. So you know.
So is this grass cutting project?
Yeah. I've got a new phone right now.
Wow,
as we're talking.
Interesting. Congratulations, new phone achievement.
Thank you.
That's interesting.
So sister, you know, something like us actors and in our country, because of these ones and yeah, they take us and you know. Yes.
No, I can you please explain? I'm sure I don't know the audience doesn't.
Okay. I'm saying, if me, yes, you know, sister, there is something which is on top of me.
Okay.
Tarenda.
Oh, your talent.
Yes. So, sister, you know, in our country, there is something when you're going off something